Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really fun and colorful drag marble nail design. So I already painted my nails with one coat of white polish, and the second coat has to be a thicker coat. If you watch my other drag marble nail designs, I always say the same thing. It has to be much thicker. If not, you won't be able to drag. And that's the whole purpose of a drag marble design, of course. Then I'm just going to add different bright colors onto my nail design. It's springtime, and I just wanted to do something really colorful. So I'm doing yellows, pinks, orange, and green just to give it a nice, fun look. Then using, this is my water marbling tool, but you can use anything with a point. I'm just going to go around. There's no rhyme or reason. You can do the design any way you want to. Just be able to drag it along. Just don't over drag it. You want to be able to see the difference in the colors. And as you can see right here, I added just a little bit in the white. It was too white up there, and I still had some polish on my water marbling tool. So I just pulled some polish onto that side. And as you can see, I'm just pulling some of the polish off, and that's just to stretch the design and also to help it dry a little faster. If not, it'll take a long time to dry. You don't want that. And then I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple to follow. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.